Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful sewing craft ideas. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very stunning sewing ideas for you guys. These are top trending and very unique ideas for you guys. Hope so viewers, you are doing well. These are super amazing and most unique ideas for you guys. You guys make these sewing craft at home very easily. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these sewing craft ideas at home. These are very amazing and these are very unique ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel, and thank you so much guys for watching my videos. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Always take care guys. Always be happy. These are super incredible and very amazing ideas for you guys.